In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo on Squarespace. By the end, you'll feel confident swapping out any image on your site without disrupting your layout or design. First, head to your website and navigate to the page that contains the photo you want to change. Take a moment to locate the exact image on the page so you know you're working with the right one. This could be a banner image, an image inside a section, or an image block within a text area. Next, click directly on the image element you want to update. You'll notice visual cues around it indicating that it's selected. Now, double-click the image to open its editor. Double-clicking is the quickest way to bring up the editor panel where you can make changes. If you don't see the editor appear, make sure you're in editing mode on that page and try again. Inside the editor, look for the Replace option. Click Replace to choose a new image. At this point, you can either upload a file from your computer or pick a different image from your existing library if you've used it before. When uploading, choose a clear, high-quality file that matches the space it's going into. Larger hero areas benefit from wider images, while smaller content blocks can use more modest dimensions. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and a balanced file size helps your page load quickly. After you select or upload your new image, you'll see a preview in the editor. Give it a second to process. If your template crops images to maintain a specific shape, don't worry. That's normal and helps keep your design consistent. If the image looks off-center, try a version with a bit more space around your subject so the automatic crop has room to work. Once the preview looks good, you're ready to make it official. Be sure to click Save at the top left of the screen after making your changes. This is important. If you navigate away without saving, your new image won't stick. Wait for the save to complete, and then refresh, or view the page to confirm the update is live. That's it. Go to the page, click the image, double-click to open the editor, hit Replace to choose or upload your new photo, and don't forget to click Save at the top left. With these steps, you can swap images quickly and keep your site looking polished and up to date.